and it'll be all tiny. No, it'll be funny. There it is. Oh my gosh, that's the 100th sneeze. I don't know how to feel right now. Congratulations, Raphael! Congratulations, Raphael! The 42nd FUWAMOCO Morning and the 100th sneeze.
I wasn't expecting to sneeze today. You have to ask me for my commentary, okay?
Moko-chan, how does it feel to sneeze 100 times within 3 months?
Well, I feel like now I'm so famous. Everyone knows me. Everyone knows me for my sneezing. And now I'm very famous, well known for my sneezing.
Oh no, it seems Ruffy that all the sneezes have gone to her head.
It's gone to my head! They've gone to my sinuses! Everyone knows me for my sinuses! Yes.
Well, Moko-chan, do you have any ideas for, maybe a tissue line or nasal spray?
I'm waiting for your messages. For the contacts, okay?
We're waiting. You can phone us at the hashtag FWMC waiting.
Yeah, phone us at the hashtag, okay? I can do the stuff. I can say this is amazing.
Yeah. So make sure to show the tissues are the strongest ever tissues. Nothing can break them.
Smell like roses.
Yeah.
Cute patterns.
I think
little
Moko-chan,
dogs.
rather than smelling like roses, it'd be better if the Mokoko-san did know.
Are you saying that roses don't smell like me?
I guess I'll have to take a good smell later, huh? Well,
We are celebrating!
Thank you, #1 sneezer